Let me explain this a little bit. So we download a mesh object from website. This cute bullflower. I think it's not Pikachu, right? Now first we like to see the size of this object. We don't know the size yet, so we plug this mesh object to this scale to size. It will show the size. It will show the size of the object in 3 dimensions. Now we know the size of the object is like this. It's a little bit small, right? We like to make it bigger. So maybe in x dimension, we like to make it 100. Now we can see it is 100 in x dimension, and the other 2 dimensions we follow the x dimension you input. So of course we can guess that we can change it with the y dimension. Now y dimension is 100, right? The other 2 dimensions we follow. Now of course we can do the g dimension either. We can also do 3 dimension. Maybe we like to give it to g dimension like 100, and the other 2 dimensions a little bit small like this. Yeah. Okay. This will show the size of the object, and you can also change the size of the object with this component. You can see the preview of this object changed a little bit, right? That is because I add this custom preview with a very simple material inside. So when you preview this component, and it will show you in preview mode. Okay, this is the second one. The third one is a move to origin. It's a very simple one. It just move the object to the world origin. It's just sit above the world origin like this. And the third component is the size. It is like this component. You show the size, but it will only show the size. You cannot change the size with the component. Now you can see our print is like 100 in x dimension, and it as you can see, it will show the print bed as well. Now my print bed is like 250, so like this. I like to make it a little bit bigger, right? Now I like to challenge my print capacity. So it's 250. I can print 250 biggest, so maybe I can go like 235, right? So y dimension is 235, and the other 2 dimensions change accordingly, but all in the capacity of my 3D print bed. Now, yeah. So you can change the size. You can move it to the world origin and show the size with the 3D print bed. If you don't like it, you just disable it. It will not show the print bed. It will only show the size. Okay. They all have no password, so you are welcome to change it, update it as you wish. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.